What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lovely Maya back with another video. As you can see by that title, today's video is going to be about cleaning and revamping a lace front curly wig. This wig I've been had for a long time, but I didn't wear it that much the last time I wore it. So we're just going to go ahead and get straight into the video. And make sure you guys like, leave a comment, and subscribe. As you can see, it's all matted up right now, but by the end of this video, it is going to be looking curly, bouncy, and as it should. So I'm going to start off with some boiling hot water, some Hawaiian Silky. You can get it from Walmart or Dollar General. I'm just using this conditioner that I have as well. I'm going to put the conditioner and the Hawaiian Silky in the boiling hot water, and I'm also going to add some oil in it because I don't want my hair to tangle up even more. Once I'm done mixing everything together, I just put the wig inside of the hot water. Make sure all of it is covered up. I did add some more boiling hot water, and then I put more conditioner along the lace. Once I do all that, I just let the hair sit in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, it do looks bad because the hair is kind of dirty, and then plus I use the oil. So 15 minutes has passed, and now I'm about to just clean the wig, making sure all the glue is off of the lace. And once I'm done with that, then I go and I put lukewarm water on the wig to make sure that it is rinsed out good. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to add more conditioner because I want to make sure that the hair it don't have any glue inside of it or anything like that. Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. In the city, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. When you are combing out a wig, you want to make sure, even your hair, make sure you are combing from the bottom to the top, because you don't want to create any damage to the hair or cause any breakage. Shoulder, belly sober, telling me how you moving away and starting over. Girl, quit playing, you just drunk, you just saying shit. And oh, you dance like how, like ballet and shit. Oh, wait, no, I get it, girl, I'm with it. I've been down this road before, and yeah, I skid it, but forget it, damn. I wonder why I never learned my lesson. Just feeling like it's second chance and it's the first impression. And I heard there's nothing new except for someone new. But how you supposed to find the one with anyone who come with you? Talking to myself, but I never listen. Cause man, it's been a while. Now I swear that this one's different. That's why I'ma take you anywhere you wanna go. Let you meet my friends so they can lecture me again about how reckless I have been. And I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invest in making all the same mistakes. On some DMX shit, I group my exes. I tell them they belong to me. This is the wig, freshly washed, right after I got done combing it out and everything like that. I'm going to let this wig sit for at least 24 hours so I can show y'all how it looks when it's dry. This is how your deep wave wig should be looking. You can see all the curls. Yeah, period. So yeah, this is the wig after I customized it how I wanted it to be. And that wig looks so pretty on my head, y'all. Yeah, I ain't gotta say too much. This is the end of the video. I hope that you all learned something. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
You had me